Right, so welcome to the next video on this series of free fall. See, there is another situation which I call the situation number 3, and let me just write it. This is situation number 3. Okay, in this situation, if you see the diagram, the body has been thrown vertically upwards. Don't worry about the angle at which the body has been thrown. Assume it is a straight upward. Now, in these questions, the initial velocity is upwards, so therefore take it as positive, right? You have to remember that the sign convention said anything which is upwards will be positive, and any physical quantity which is downwards will be negative. The second important idea in this situation is that at the highest point the body will stop, right? So the velocity at the highest point treated as 0. So you can see the diagram. Another confusion which most of the students have is that as the body is going up, and it reaches the highest point, will there be, any acceleration or deceleration of gravity, because it appears the body has come to stand still. Now note that throughout the motion, from the instant the body left the hand of the person or the object left the hand, the acceleration due to gravity exists, and even at the highest point the acceleration due to gravity will exist. Now as per the sign convention, the sign of acceleration due to gravity should be taken as negative, because throughout the motion it is acting downwards, right? Anything, and this is nature, right? Earth has provided acceleration of gravity only in one direction, downward. So irrespective of situation, always take acceleration of gravity as negative. Thank you very much.